Classic. Health. Technology. Jakcom R3. Jakcom R3 is made of liquid tungsten and has been processed through 73 hours and 39 steps of process with higher strength, fixed color, and non-allergic. Inlaid with magnet, germanium, and far energy stored on the inside of ring, so it can effectively improve human beings' energy, stamina, physical strength, and also can block electromagnetic waves. The side letters MIID are equipped with dual-core MCU NXP chipset, which could imitate and copy various kinds of IC ID smart card chip, such as house door, building door, elevator card, parking card, attendance, shopping cards, transportation cards, and other inducive cards. The side letters NFC is equipped with high-speed intelligent NFC chip with 106 KB per second wireless data transmission rate, 100,000 ride cycle durability, so that could guarantee all of the features, efficient and stable operation. For example, private node, save all kind of private information on the smart ring like schedule, accounts, memo, etc. and set the ring touch action to be the only way of view or edit. Phone lock. Set screen lock and app lock randomly and let ring become the only key to your privacy, safe and fast. Quick start. This ring could quick start a variety of multifunction scene mode. Release your hands with high efficiency, sharing information, business card, internet link, messages and pictures could be shared when your ring touch phone of others, fast and full of priority. Moreover, Jakcom Smart Ring do not need charging, so that can let you totally get rid of life issues and data lines. What's more, ring has IP68 class waterproof performance. The surprise will be much more than that. Ring's app would keep up to date, more practical functions and cooler. Jakcom Smart Ring, just be what you really need.